How's it going, everybody? James, Online Car Show. Got a real quick mod for y'all today. This is from Phastek Performance. As you'll see, the install went a little rocky, but in the end I think the results were really good on this product. And without hesitation, let's get the video started. Alright everybody, we got a quick unboxing here. Just got a delivery from Phastek Performance. I'm excited to get this on the car. I know what it is. It's a under hood dress up. Let's get this box open and see what we got. Ooh. Packing thing. Peanuts. No marketing material. That could definitely be improved on. I know Phastek Performance has some awesome products. I'd like to see some brochures or something in there, maybe a piece of candy. Something linking me back to the products again. Now we've got the actual product itself. Appears to be really good quality. billetcustom.com. It's a GM licensed product. It's got pictures of it on the car here. This is a, for those that don't know, these are AC caps. They go over the plastic caps on your radiator lines under your hood. If you're unfamiliar with what these are, you'll see in the install here in a minute. Alright, got them out of the packaging. Seem to be really shiny, pretty, nice polish work on it. Cannot complain on that. Whoever made these took their time. It's polished up nice. Let's get them on the car. Alright, for those that aren't familiar with what these caps actually are, as you can see, we've got the, let me go down here. We've got this plastic cap right here under the hood. This is in between my strut brace and the oil filler cap here. All we should have to do is slide this baby right over the top. Alright, well, these aren't slipping over the top, and they don't replace it. So the only way I know that we're going to be able to do this is by unscrewing this. There's Brett, everybody. Say hi. Being her usual goofy self. Say hi, Bretta. Alright, so let's get back to the task at hand. So we've got this cap here, and we've got this going over the top, right? They don't fit because of these tabs on the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Dremel and I'm going to file these down, and I'm going to keep fitting it until it'll press in, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so what I've ended up doing here is I basically took the Dremel, took a layer or two off of these notches that are on the side of the AC cap here, and I'm putting this over a block of wood, and I'm basically hammering the plastic thing into it because it's still a little tight, but I want it really snug anyway, so there you have it. Alright, well, having to kind of beat it in, as you can see the top of it even broke. Not the cleanest mod here, but I did try it on the car and it looks really cool. So let's put this on. It screws right in because it's utilizing the factory cap underneath it, or at least the way I saw to install it. Looks really good there next to the red Mishimoto line and in between the strut tower brace. Let me know what y'all think. It didn't go quite as smooth as I thought it would, but you know, some of the mods are like that. They're built for multiple cars, so what can you do? But it looks really good in the car. Add just another little hint of chrome under there. Looks pretty good. I think it's coming all together. Y'all be sure to keep or hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of new content coming up. Got the race with Bubble Blue just about scheduled here. Also got a bunch of mods in the mail on the way. So a bunch of stuff's coming up for the car. Y'all be sure to stay tuned.